Ladies and gentlemen, Jared Tockstein, man on the scene here with my daughter, Hannah. Hello? Hello. Yes. And today we're heading to the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, we approach our destination. Sand Key Beach, the southern edge of Sand Key Beach. And here is the ocean. We've arrived. There you see the tip of Hannah's head as she jumps around like a dolphin. Umbrella chair, sheet, cooler with lunch in it. Beautiful day. No pictures, please. No pictures. Mine, 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 mine. Hannah, would you like them to poop on you?
No, basically not.
Nobody wants to be pooped on. What happened? Oh no. It's quickly going to become an Alfred Hitchcock movie around here, ladies and gentlemen.
We're watching this. We're at the beach, surrounded by birds. In a few minutes we might die, so you know.
After 3 hours on the beach. Hannah, what do you think? It's time to go?
Yep, go back home and play me some Minecraft.
To go back home and play me some Minecraft. Isn't that what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen? Hello, Mr. Beach Spider. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we begin the long walk back to the car. Been coming to this beach for 15 years, ever since we moved to Florida. My favorite spot. And parking is free. For all my local friends, I will not tell you where this is, because I don't want you to come here and ruin it. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You and you and you. Local friends. Jared Tockstein, man on the scene with Hannah Tockstein, girl on the scene. Reporting from Sand Key,